Hey guys, Nick here, Mr. Millionaire Insight. How are you? So, a little bit about my experience in IPS. I started out my journey in online business about 8 years ago. I was a network marketer, and I came from a system where we prospected for everything. Phone calls, everything, kneecap to kneecap, and being disabled, I couldn't keep that up. I couldn't maintain that for a long period of time. I had to find something that I can do online from home, from my smartphone or my tablet, and I stumbled upon this about a month and a half ago, and it has been a godsend. I've been able to make money while spending time teaching my kids or having fun with my kids, spending time with my wife. It has been absolutely amazing, and this community that Michelle has, it's absolutely second to none. So stop thinking about it and jump in and get to make daily pay.